This is the indictment for Shanna Gardner. We just got it from the state attorney's office after we requested it, and it shows the charges that she is facing right now. It also shows that a local grand jury formally connected her to the horrific murder here in South Jacksonville Beach. Tonight, on this rainy Thursday evening, there is still a sign asking for justice for Jared. There are pictures of him with his family members, and as we were standing here, a neighbor drove up with these flowers. She said she's praying for his loved ones.
If you knew Jared, you knew that he does not give up. He's very focused, and he would make sure that our family got justice while we're still living.
An emotional and grateful Bridegan family. We spoke with his widow, siblings, and parents after news of a third arrest in the case.
So we are very grateful to be here, and we just know that we got to buckle up and be ready for what's coming.
State Attorney Melissa Nelson and Jacksonville Beach detectives announced the indictment and arrest of Bridegan's ex-wife, Shanna Gardner, 547 days after his murder.
We promised at the outset of this investigation we would not relent until we uncovered the truth of Jared's murder, the whole and entire truth.
ATF agents arrested her in West Richland, Washington this morning, a remote place she moved to with the twins she shared with Bridegan after coming under fire for the murder. Investigators say Gardner played a central and key role in the cold-blooded killing 18 months ago after Bridegan dropped the twins off at her Jacksonville Beach home. He stopped on this wooded stretch just miles away to move a tire that had been left in the road. That's when police say his killers ambushed him. His 2-year-old daughter, Bexley, was in the back seat of his SUV but wasn't hurt. He had a newborn child at home.
It's been a broken world. February 16th was a broken, it just seemed like everything just broke. And today it feels a little bit better. It feels like we can do this.
Police arrested Gardner's husband, Mario Fernandez, in March. He's facing the same charges. His tenant at a home he owned, Henry Tenon, marked the first arrest in the case. That was in February. He pleaded guilty to second-degree murder after detectives found handwritten checks that Fernandez wrote to him after the killing. Now the Bridegan family is pleading with Shanna Gardner's family members to reconnect them with Jared's twins.
Our hearts and minds have been with Liam and Abby since the day of Jared's murder, but especially now.
Knowing these children have lost not one, but 2 parents in this brutal scheme. State Attorney Melissa Nelson tells us she plans to seek the death penalty against Gardner and Fernandez. She did not want to release any more details about evidence in the case because she says she didn't want to compromise what they are going to be doing in the court system coming up. As for Gardner, she is currently behind bars in Washington State, awaiting extradition to here in Florida. I did reach out to her attorney, Hank Cox. He told me he had no comment. In Jacksonville Beach, I'm Vic Michelucci, Channel 4, the local station.